guys, it's a new vlog day and it's time to fly to... Bam! We are here in Mexico finally. Long flight. This happens when Dominic is flying the plane. Man, we are here for the National Duke Lounge in Mexico City. In 2 days for the journalists. I need to throw down some tricks, but first things first, we need to build a stunt bike. So let's go to the garage. I brought my parts back with me. Freshest bike from the warehouse that they have, and it's a 2017 KTM 200 Duke. Let's take the Duke apart and build another stunt bike here in Mexico. Should be a quick job. As you can see, the bike is properly naked now. The parts are already lined up. There's plenty of work waiting for me now. Let's build a bike, a stunt bike. Adolfo, sorry I couldn't resist, so I took your RC a little bit to make some spins here in the workshop. Brought with me brand spanking new out of the CNC machine front freestyle packs, orange anodized. We put a little bit more update into it, so much stronger, nicer finish. I'm gonna make a first test in Mexico City now. Now in like 5 hours now in this bike, and another 5 hours. In the video looks like a few minutes, but it's actually a whole day of work. We are now pretty hungry, so quick lunchtime and then back to work. So I'm gonna show you how to properly mount a chain. That's the RokON tech tip. There's millions of ways how to do it. I do it like this. So I remove the chain guard and so on, so I have easier access. The last thing is to put the pin, the safety pin. What is important? So chain is going this way, and if the pin is facing this way, it can hit an obstacle on the way when it's turning. The chain is falling also down and you can crash. So just the simple thing, you turn it opposite direction. If it's still hitting something, it will not fall down. Put it like this. Perfect. Beam. That's this guy trick, so he helped me a little bit. Thank you, Alex.
Thanks.
Gracias, chico.
Thanks.
Let's do a simple trick when I tune the chain guard. So I just cut this away, beam, and then I have a little spacer because the sprocket is bigger, so the chain guard needs to go higher. So this is a simple trick what I do. Bike is finished. We are missing brake fluid and chain loop, so it's the last thing to do, and then the bike is ready to ride, rock and roll. Let's gear up. This bike is everything is working. Let's have some fun on the practice spot. Fuel is okay. Let's ride. made 2,600 meters. Probably I'm gonna repeat this the whole vlog, how high we are, because it's really hard to breathe for a European guy. Let's do another 50 minutes practice. It feels like 2 hours, but yeah, I need to get used to the bike before we go to the show. Practice is done, a short one, because I had some issues with setuping the bike, but now everything works and we are quite late now and I need to pack stuff and go to the show. We have still 2 hours to kill, so we found this hill close to the show area, practicing my stoppie skills. Come Dominic, check this, and it's raining, perfect weather. I think we're gonna cancel the outside activity and we're gonna go rock inside the building where the people are partying and enjoying the new Duke. So I'm gonna throw down some tricks in front of the stage. Let's make the best out of it. Rock and roll. See me? Yes, you see me. Okay, so Mexico is done. It's a wrap. We just finished the presentation of the Duke 390 and 250 in Mexico. People love the show. People love the Duke. And my job is done here. I enjoyed Mexico. I love Mexico. And let's go to the next country. See you next time. Bang!